So this is an overview of the school admin panel. So if you create the account for your school, you will be a school admin user by default. Otherwise, you could have been made a school admin by another admin in your school. So when you click admin panel in the bottom left of your dashboard, you can add teachers here by the button at the bottom. You can make another teacher into an admin by clicking on here. If you have invited another teacher and they have not logged in yet, you can resend the invitation email, and here it will also tell last time that each teacher logged in. So you can revoke admin privileges for whatever reason, and you can also delete teachers by selecting them and then using the delete teachers button at the bottom. Once classes have been made, or in a new school year, you can reallocate the classes. That's explained in a separate video, but that's on this page here. You can check how many accounts have been created within your school. So the quotas will relate to the subscription plan that you've chosen. For a supplement, you can sync your school data using Wand. This has a £3 a month surcharge. To do this, follow the instructions here to find your Wand ID number, and then by using this you can sync and basically pull all of the children's name and class data to synchronize it on a yearly basis. You can also upload student data using a CSV spreadsheet file. Follow the instructions on this page. It's important that you follow the template regarding the columns and the layout of the data. And it's important that if you have existing students, that when you download the existing data, in order to edit it for the new year, please do not edit the username column, because that's how our database will refer to the children and know that which one you're referring to. So you can download the template here and then upload a new one when you've edited it. You can manage the pastoral houses, so whichever pastoral houses have been created within your school, you can edit the name, and that will edit in bulk if there's been a typo, or for example if two pastoral houses have been created by accident. Here you can delete them or edit them. Soon there'll be an option to merge them together as well, so you can manage your pastoral houses. The pastoral houses are used for competitions, our Gold Rush competitions, house versus house competitions. Here you can also manage your subscription to see when the subscription expires, manage the billing contact, or cancel the subscription. So that's the basic overview of the admin panel. Please get in touch if you require further support.